Well, welcome to El Bosque Protector La Perla. This is one of the last natural places where you can find a forest, a primary forest from the Choko on the coast of Ecuador.
It's around 3 hours from Quito. It's our last stop on our little Ecuadorian road trip. And an amazing place, definitely worth coming. And today we have Sebastian, a herpetologist, with us to help us find the most possible species and most interesting different herpetofauna species.
It was clear right from the beginning that the rain is coming, but obviously rain could not stop us. We managed to have a little walk in the day before the rain would have arrived and seen some pretty cool birds, insects, and even this little devil poison frog. But then the rain caught up with us, but still we finished the day and of course spent the night in the forest.
We came up here in the hope of seeing some birds and animals, but it's really raining, so it's not gonna happen. We're gonna wait here a little bit, look around. It's almost midnight and we are in the Bosque Protector La Perla for a night walk, and this is the most extreme and best possible night walk in this world. We are literally walking in a small river in rubber boots, looking for glass frogs, snakes, or any other cool species. Oh, okay.
What is that? That's the biggest one we've seen.
Two.
Oh wow.
This night walk in the jungle was one of my favorite walks in any forest in my life. This was partially because of the jungle itself. There were so many incredible species anywhere we looked. We found different glass frog species, countless amphibians, a lot of snakes, including this fer-de-lance as well, which was a first for me and a definite target species I wanted to see for a long time. But the other reason was Jason and Sebastian. Both of them knew the place and the species in the forest so well, and they didn't care about the weather. They just kept on going until we almost dropped off tiredness. It was a real jungle experience. Now, please stay a little bit longer and listen to the story of this amazing forest from Jason himself, who is third generation protecting and taking care of this place. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay with me a little longer, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
The story of La Perla starts on 1946, after Second World War. The owners bought this land from the government, and unfortunately back on those times the government would make you chop down the forest to get your titles of the land. Luckily my grandparents did what the government wanted, which is to chop this 60% of the forest, but they managed to take care of the other 40%, and nowadays I'm the third generation taking care of this reserve, and we do it with passion, and we try to keep it as neat as possible with a little bit of tourism so that people know and discover what the Choko was and still is in little places.